So, for example, think of it like a computer assembled from Nehru Place in Delhi. You go there, you pick what you want. I want that modularity where I can choose a mesh jacket with the best armor that I can because that would serve the purpose of somebody like me.
Okay, I'm going to buy a jacket, but I can't get a riding jacket without armors. And we realize it makes life difficult for a lot of people.
I had to multi-layer myself with third-party liner. So these are not very reliable, not in style. If you remove your jacket off, you can't roam in that liner. They've been taken care of. I think that'll be easy on the budget and people can invest more on higher safety gears.
Option to upgrade your liners, to take off your liners, to get in your liners, and it's a little cumbersome.
The jacket has not weathered, but the armors have become quite old. And then it is difficult to purchase off the market armors.
At least new riders who are coming into the riding community now never really understood the value of good riding gear. So brand names don't seem so important when you're getting the quality out of the jacket and for the money that you're paying.
Running wild.